Hi, hello, Teppo. You listening for me? I'm phoning now the boss. The boss name is Naim. So, according to Naim, he's asked us to put a boom gate in front of the houses for the wives by the Virginia. He said the people is traveling too much. She say your people is traveling too much, so we're going to put the boom gates there to protect the vaginas. Okay? And no one must come here in Teppo. If somebody is coming there, you must making a loud noise, a loud noise. Nobody can come there inside. You hear me? And even you, I don't want you to trouble the wife, okay? This boom gate is only for the rich people, not for the poor people, okay? You hear me, Teppo? So you see, Teppo, the counselor, Naim, has trusted me too much. So please, Teppo, I'm entrusting you to look after this boom gate in front of the vaginas, okay?